the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Moto E5 Supra for Cricket Wireless. So this one's now available today. So you guys get the Moto E5 Supra for $199.99 new and existing customers, guys. So here's the phone right here. The phone looks super nice. So yeah, there's the phone right there. It looks tall as shit, but I'm sure it looks tall as shit in person because it has an 18:9 ratio there, so that's a win. On the front of the phone, you got your front-facing camera, earpiece, front-facing camera flash, big ass screen there. Your Motorola clock. I'm a big fan of this clock right here, and your buttons for audio, and you have your Motorola logo at the bottom there. It's available in black there. So yeah. On the left side of the Moto E5 Supra, you guys got this SIM card and SD cards right on the left. The camera does stick out just a bit there, as you guys can see right here. Back of the Moto E5 Supra, you guys got dual cameras, camera flash, your fingerprint sensor, and your cricket binding. Yeah, the back of the phone looks nice as hell. It looks like it has like a glossy back to it, and I think it does have a glossy back to it. I don't know if it's, I think it might be a hard plastic back. I doubt it's glass. So the back of the phone looks very nice, and your fingerprint sensor right here, and its little cameras. The phone just looks nice. It looks super nice, alright, and the phone's out of stock, which is interesting as hell. I don't know if the phone was out of stock the whole time or whatever, but it's kind of out of stock right now. This phone's gonna have competition with the Stylo 4 when it comes out next week for cricket. So yeah, and obviously you guys can use this phone on any plane you want, obviously. So let's go check this out. It says, "Say hello to the Moto E5 Supra, built for big entertainment and designed to fit your hand. The large 6-inch HD Plus edge-to-edge display is packed into a slim arc design, so you can see more while browsing, viewing, or gaming comfortably with just one hand. 12 megapixel rear laser autofocus and 8 megapixel front-facing cameras, both with LED flash, let you capture beautiful photos even in low light situations. Fast octa-core processing power combined with a 1.5 day battery that charges faster means it will always keep up with you. Unlock your phone instantly and securely with just a touch of a fingerprint reader. Never worry about spills and splashes thanks to a water repellent coating. Enjoy intuitive motor features that make it easier to use your phone. Moto E5 Supra, go big." Yeah, I think it might just be one 12 megapixel camera. I thought it was dual cameras, but I don't think it is dual cameras. I think one hole is laser autofocus, so it's just one camera on back, guys. I thought it was two, it's just one. So yeah, just keep it in mind. I think it's just one camera on back. Yeah, here's the specs right here on the Supra. 6-inch HD Plus display, Mac Vision display, octa-core processing power and 4G LTE, 12 megapixel camera with laser autofocus and 4K video, and 8 megapixel front-facing camera with LED flash. It should be 8 megapixels in front. So it's 12 on back, 8 in front. That's a win. 32 gigabytes of user storage, 1.5 days of battery life with a 5,000 mAh battery. Holy fuck, man, that's a big ass battery. They claim that you can get 1.5 days of battery life, so we'll see about that. Exclusive Moto experiences like Moto Display and Moto Actions. Fingerprint ready for added security and convenience. HD voice, Wi-Fi calling, mobile hotspot capable, and Android 8.0 Oreo. captivating experience. Built for big entertainment, the 6-inch AC Plus Night Vision display gives you better viewing of websites, games, movies, and more. Front-ported speakers for unobstructed, crystal clear sound with laser autofocus. A 12-megapixel rear camera captures laser sharp photos instantly in deep, rich, full HD video. Plus, with auto light enhancement, you get great pics even on dark, cloudy days. The Moto E5 SUPRA also has an 8 megapixel selfie camera with its own LED flash, perfect for snapping amazing selfies in low light conditions that are easy to share. Stay productive. The Moto E5 SUPRA packs a fast and powerful octa-core processor that makes multitasking a breeze. The huge 5000 mAh battery gives you up to 1.5 days of battery life, all without sacrificing the slim design. And when it's time to power up, don't slow down though. The turbo power charger gives you hours of power in minutes of charging. Up to 32 gigabytes of internal memory, expandable up to 128 gigs with that micro SD card. Means you have plenty of room for all your apps. Tools like Motor Display allows you to see the notifications and manage music playback while the screen is locked, and use Motor Actions to chop to turn on the flashlight, twist to open the camera, and flip to silence incoming calls in a flash so you can never miss a beat. So it has a Motor Action that if you twist the wrist, camera will open. If you flip your phone onto its face, it will silence phone calls. If you chop, it will turn the flashlight on. Stand out with a reflective wave pattern design and a arch back. The Moto E5 SUPRA looks as great as it feels. In front, the rounded corner glass panel provides smooth edges for a smart, clean look, and no need to come in and out of the rain, as the water repellent coating safeguards your phone from spills and splashes. Alright, so it only has one camera on back, guys, as you guys can see right here. That's the laser autofocus right here. This is your camera and all that, so keep that in mind. There's one camera on back. I thought it was two, it's just one. So yeah, it has a water repellent coating, guys. The Moto E5 SUPRA is not waterproof, guys, so do not submerge your phone in water. Don't do that. It's water repellent, so if you get it a little wet, it's fine. Alright, so don't submerge your phone in water. Don't do that. Just don't do that. Alright, so the Moto E5 SUPRA has Android 8.0 Oreo. There's your dimensions there. The phone has 6.37 inches on the height, 2.96 inches on the width, and 0.37 inches on the depth. It has a 6-inch Full HD Plus display, Max Vision display. Yeah. It has 32 gigabytes of memory, 3 gigabytes of RAM, and micro SD card slot up to 128 gigs. So when the Solid 4 comes out next week for Cricket, the Moto E5 SUPRA will have competition. So yeah, the Moto E5 SUPRA has LTE, of course, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, micro USB charging, mobile hotspot, and Wi-Fi manager. Has a 12 megapixel rear camera with LED flash and 4K video, and 5 megapixel front facing camera with, it's actually 8 megapixel camera in front, 8 megapixel in front with LED flash. So don't know why it says 5, but it's 8 on the front, guys. 8 megapixels on front. You have GPS, of course, HD voices included. 1.4 GHz octa-core processor, 5000 mAh battery, hearing aid, and a qualifying rate plan is required. So yeah, there's the specs right there. Some of the specs are wrong. It has an 8 megapixel front-facing camera, guys. Hoping they'll change that so people don't get confused. So here are some accessories on the Moto E5 Super. You guys got a screen protector there, another screen protector, a wallet case, Bluetooth earbuds, flash drive, and all that. A kickstand shield, a gel case, more Bluetooth headphones, and all that. Yeah, gel case, screen protector, kickstand shield, Bluetooth headsets, Bluetooth speakers, dashboard, cases, dashboard for your car, more cases, chargers, earbuds. So if you guys want to get accessories on the Moto E5 Super, go to Amazon and type in Moto E5 Plus. Do that and you guys will get better accessories for cheaper. So yeah, there it is, guys, the Moto E5 Super. It's a super nice phone, super great specs, this phone is just super awesome, guys. I love the name of the phone. I think it's a nice name for the phone. This phone has everything. The phone has 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, Android Oreo. It has the Moto actions and all that. This phone looks very nice. It has an 18:9 ratio. The phone looks tall as hell, but I'm sure it looks bigger in person. So like I said, guys, when the Styler 4 comes out next week for Cricket, this phone will have competition. The Moto E5 Super is cheaper, will be cheaper than the Styler 4 for Cricket, because the Styler 4 for Cricket is $229.99. This one's $179.99, so the $50 difference. The two phones are not that much difference. For this one has a whopping 5,000 mAh battery. So like I said, guys, when the Styler 4 comes out, the E5 Super will have competition. So we will see which one people get. So there it is, guys, the Moto E5 Super. Super nice phone, super nice name, super nice price, super nice everything about the phone, man. So yeah, man, that phone looks gorgeous as hell. So yeah, that's all pretty much it there, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.